Is your SteamKit project apps broken by the SteamKit2 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we walk through the SteamKit2 library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the SteamKit2 library, a managed .NET library that allows applications to interact directly with the Steam network, chat, inventory, servers, without the Steam client. It is used by Steam idlers and trade bots. If missing, specialized Steam utility tools will report an assembly mismatch or fail to connect to the Steam servers. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The presence of SteamKit2 Library DLL is mandatory for SteamKit Project to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite with the error will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including SteamKit2 library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Warning: SteamKit2 Library DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and SteamKit2 library synchronization. To support our technical team and receive updates on SteamKit2 library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.